What?
It looks like poo. But it's delicious.
It's family time.
Hi, Alex.
Hi.
All right, so what are we gonna do now?
We gotta make this in the side.
Brownies. Oh, yeah. Okay. So, for us to make the brownies, I know you're super excited to crack those eggs, right? Because you're super good. Okay, so we're making some brownies. Now, the first thing we gotta do is we're gonna put in our mix. So, can you put this in for me?
Yeah, I can do it by myself.
Okay. All right. Yeah, let's just careful. Okay. Here we go.
I can get a little bit.
Oh man, in a little while. Okay, you can try it. Just a little bit. All right, here we go. So we put in our batter. Okay.
Now I can try it.
All right, next we need. Okay, you want to try a little bit? Here, you can try it, just a tiny. It's gonna taste better when we eat it and cook it, okay? All right, here we go. So next, we're gonna go ahead and put in 1/4 of a cup of water, right? So be careful. Okay. Good.
Oh, it's turning to chocolate.
Oh yeah, it's turning into chocolate.
I can do this.
Yep, now we're gonna do 2/3 of vegetable oil. Carefully.
It's getting more chocolate.
Yep, and we gotta put one more because that's only 1/3 and we need 2/3, okay? 2/3.
And we do this at your house, guys.
Yeah, you can do this at your house.
You don't got it. Buy in your store.
Yep, you just go to the store.
And you can buy eggs you out.
Yeah.
And you can do everything.
Yeah, you can do it too, right? Okay, so one more. All right.
I can do it.
You're gonna do it for me? Okay.
See, I got this.
Yes, you got this. All right, now here's the tough part, okay? Now it's the eggs, all right?
This is my good.
Yeah, you're super good.
Uh-oh.
Okay. Whoa. Explosion. Okay, we gotta make sure no shells, no shells. Okay, good job. All right, let's try that one more time. Okay, try not to explode it. Okay. Good. Oh, yeah. Okay. There you go, nice and easy. Whoa, okay, look at that, no shells, yay for you, okay.
I got this.
Yeah, you got this, all right.
So I gotta mix this.
Oh yeah, so you're gonna mix it, okay.
Oh, baking. My sweetheart is baking.
Your sweetheart is breaking. Okay,
Be careful.
yeah, be careful.
It. Oh, it's turning to baking.
Yeah, it's turning into breaking.
I saw a chocolate inside, just a baby chocolate.
Oh, baby chocolate. Alright.
Oh, what do you make here?
Oh, we've got some backup.
Let me see, you know?
Yes.
Teamwork.
Wait, I can do this.
Okay.
Oh, nice.
Oh, this looks good.
Yeah.
Let me try.
All right, let's see what Daddy's got here. Whoa! Oh, you can do it, show me. Whoa! Go! Go, Alex, go! Woo!
It's like poop.
What?
It's like poop.
It looks like poop, but it's delicious.
It's like poop.
Okay, so we've mixed everything. It's delicious. All right, now we need to spread the pan. Okay, you got it?
That's right.
Oh, I know.
This is strong. Come on.
3, 2, 1.
No. Let me do it.
Whoa!
In your hands. If you're doing it in your fingers. Okay, let me try.
Okay, let Poppy try, and then you get to do it. Yeah, we're running low, Daddy, so improvise. There we go. Got to lift it. Okay, now you try. Maybe this way will be easier for you. Here.
Wait, 3, 2, 1.
Woo!
Yeah, I can't do it though,
Okay, move the pan.
Okay.
Woo! Yeah, get it. Alright, so now we're gonna spread it around, okay? Yeah, you can do that because you know how to paint super good. Okay? Ooh.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, make sure you get the sides right here, okay? Okay. So good. Oh, like a little chef. Oh. Oh yeah, that's your chef face too, huh?
Cooking pizza.
All right, now it's the time to pour it in, okay? So Daddy's gonna help with this part, and you can scoop it while Daddy holds the bowl.
We teamwork, Mommy and Daddy.
Yep, teamwork.
We all family.
Yeah, we are a big. Okay, last time. Oh, okay.
I vacuum.
Your vacuum? Okay, you ready? Now it's time to pour it into our pan. So here we go.
I know. I can.
Okay. There you go. Ooh, get in there. Oh, lots of chocolate. You really love it. Oh, yeah. Oh, no, you got chocolate on your pants.
I like peanuts too.
Oh, you do? Okay. Well, we're going to put some cashews on half of them. Okay, Daddy? So, you can, yeah, just on half of it. That way, if there's a non-peanut eater, you want some, grab a little bit. And then do how Daddy does. On one side, oh.
Okay, both sides.
Okay, it's okay.
You love peanuts.
Yes, we love peanuts. Okay. Oh, so good.
It's not peanuts.
Yeah, they aren't peanuts, are they?
Two.
How much you want?
Okay, that's about good right there. Yeah,
Wait, just a little bit more.
just a little bit more.
This side now is done.
All right, so we're gonna bake this and then we're gonna come back. What do we say? When life gives you lemons?
Make lemonade.
Make lemonade. Okay, so we need 1 cup of
Sugar.
sugar. All right, so Alex, my super helper, is going to pour.
Sugar.
Yep, put 1 cup of sugar.
1, 2, 3.
Whoa! All right.
Now it's done.
Okay. And then this is really easy because after we put 1 cup of sugar, we're gonna put 1 cup of
Lemonade.
lemon juice. Yeah, to make lemonade. All right. Oh man, you eat sugar? Okay. So here we go. Mommy's gonna pour it in, and then you are gonna put it in the big pitcher for me. Okay?
Yeah.
All right. Here we go.
Out a spelling.
Yeah, let's do it without spilling. We are going to fill it up to here, to water. Okay, here we go.
Almost done.
Almost. Cause we're a team, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
High five.
High five. What are we gonna do now?
Mix it.
Mix it. Or
I get down.
ah, where'd it go? Okay, come on. We gotta mix. Oh. So good.
I feel something.
Yeah, that's sugar. We gotta shake it.
I hear it. Oh, you hear it too?
Let me see. Oh, I do hear it. Yeah, you gotta.
What? I hear it shaking.
Oh, yeah.
Doing it by itself, like just a little bit. It's letting me know do it. Why? Why sugar? Don't bang me.
You're so goofy. All right, let's work together. Let's get that sugar. Okay,
1,
here we
2,
go.
3. Teamwork.
Yeah, we. High five. Mmm.
You know it, teamwork.
All right, I think it's almost there. Let's see. Keep shaking. Okay, I think it's good. You ready to try? Okay, so now it's time to sample our creation. We've got some cups. Yeah, here we go. All right, you're gonna hold the cup up for me? Oh, no, this cup right here.
Oh.
Yep, that one. Oh, yeah, so full. Whoa. Okay. And then you want to try pouring? Okay, hold on tight. I will hold the cup for you. Whoa.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Wait.
That's good. That's more good. All right. Ooh, delicious lemonade. Oh, so good. Cheers. Mmm. Mmm. That is yummy, right? So only 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of lemon juice, and this is about 2 quarts of water. We have ourselves some delicious lemonade.
You got it. You got everything. Make it in your house.
Yeah, so if you have some lemonade and sugar and water, you can make some lemonade too, right?
It's so good.
So good.
Let's go drink it.
Oh, so good. All right, time to say goodbye.
Bye. So remember, thumbs up, subscribe. Watch this video. Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
If you want to see more family fun videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. All right, so it's really easy, right? All we need is 1 cup of
Sugar.
sugar. All right, so
I can do it.
okay.